Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. You may have seen some of my videos. I'm currently in New York and it's my first time in New York and I'm finally getting to see Central Park. It's over there. A lot of people know, well, if you've seen my previous videos, you'll know I'm a huge film buff. And I try to visit different places where films have been set. I did the Empire State Building where part of the finale of King Kong ends. That was pretty cool. Sleepless in Seattle was filmed there. If you check my previous video in San Francisco, I went to Alcatraz and the Golden Gate Bridge, scenes of numerous movies. In Central Park may be the most filmed location in America because over 300 films are filmed there. Too many to list. For me, the one I think of the most is Home Alone 2, Lost in New York, where Brendan Flicker plays a wee bag lady that helps save Macaulay Culkin, Kevin McAllister. I must say I've got a soft spot for Home Alone 2. I think it's one of the best sequels ever, even though I very rarely watch it. Talking of sequels, Die Hard with a Vengeance was shot here. One of the more interesting car chases Hollywood's ever produced. So yeah, I'm all excited. I'm going to go and see Central Park. I'm going to have a wee look about. I'm just finding a wee place to cross. So, aye, there it is there. Central Park. I'm looking forward to it. So if you want to see my wee journey through Central Park, please like, subscribe and share. It would really help me out, and if you leave a wee comment, I'll try to reply. Okay, so thank you very much and I'll see you in the next video.